It is possible to make life-changing income from using this platform, and I'm going to show you how.
TOKENMETRICS is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits, and in particular with profits from the Osmosis Dex. Now, what is Osmosis? Well, Osmosis.zone is the decentralized exchange, the primary decentralized exchange of the Cosmos ecosystem. And this is the first in a series of videos where I'm going to take you through step by step how to create a Kepler wallet in order to store your Atom and your Osmo and your Juno and your Evmos and all the other ones that are part of this growing ecosystem, how to stake those assets, how to deposit those assets into the Osmosis Dex, how to withdraw those assets from the Osmosis Dex, how to put them in a pool and bond them, how to remove them from a pool and unbond them, and how to use particular applications so you get the best information and the best returns. Now, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Crypto Rich YT, my Twitter handle. Make sure you join my Telegram announcements channel. Make sure you subscribe to me on Crypto Rich Odyssey, because that's where all my videos come out first. I post material on Odyssey that isn't on YouTube. And if you are on YouTube, come on. They're censoring me like crazy on YouTube. Come and support me and support my work on Odyssey. I do upload to 3Speak, I'm just not that reliable about it yet. Now, in this short video, I'm going to give you a very short, brief introduction to Osmosis, and then the next series of videos will be breaking it down, very short, easy to digest videos, breaking it down how to participate in this DEX. Now, I want to let you know, I got involved in this DEX when it launched in June 2021, and it has worked out incredibly well for myself and my family. And it has given us a certain level of financial freedom, which is just growing and growing and growing. Now, the first thing that I always do, and I invite you to make sure you always do this, is to check that the VPN is on. And what the VPN does is it stops snooping of the traffic that goes in and out of my computer, thereby keeping my information secure. I have an affiliate link for NordVPN in the description below. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and my link will give you up to 2/3 discount on some of their packages. Now, I want to make sure that I'm on the right website, so I click on this lock icon. Connection is secure. Connection verified by a certificate user that is not recognized by Mozilla, but let me just have a look. And it's verified by NordVPN because they have a feature that stops me going to phishing websites, scammy websites where somebody copies the Osmosis.zone website, maybe by changing one of the letters. So you always want to make sure that you're going to the right website. This is Osmosis.zone. I click on that, launch the application, and it takes me here. Now, Frontier.osmosis.zone is the permissionless front end of the Osmosis decentralized exchange. Now, let's just look at some of the assets that are available on Frontier.zone. And I don't know all of them. There's a few key ones that I follow because there's far too much going on in crypto, far too much going on with this decentralized exchange for anybody to keep up with. Let me just expand it a little bit. We got Osmo, which is the governance token, which is ION, USDC, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped Bitcoin, DAI, which is a stable coin, Atom, CRO, Juno, DOT, Evmos, Kava, Secret, Terra Classic, USTC, Stars, Wawa, Persistence, P-Stake, Akash, Region, DVPN, Irish, so on, including an increasing number of ERC20 assets, those that run on the Ethereum blockchain, that it's possible for you to bridge over and interact with on this decentralized financial platform. Now, what do I mean by decentralized finance? Well, it's permissionless, peer-to-peer, through this decentralized smart contract, versus a centralized finance, which will involve a bank or a building society or something like that. Now, this is mapofzones.com, and you can see here the projects that are currently active on the Osmosis Dex, or actually projects that are currently active within the Cosmos ecosystem. And what Cosmos allows for, it allows for different blockchains to communicate with each other directly. So what you have with Bitcoin, which is a blockchain all of its own. Nothing else can actually interact with it. You've got to bridge it over in order to interact with on the Ethereum blockchain. In the Ethereum blockchain, you have lots and lots of different applications and ERC20 tokens running about, and it creates a load and high fees and long delays. What you have with Cosmos ecosystem is this blockchain talking to this blockchain, being able to communicate with this blockchain. I interact directly. So it'd be like if you could go from Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Litecoin. Cosmos ecosystem, their protocol allows for that. So these are all separate blockchains, and the ecosystem is growing and growing and growing. And one of the ways that it's growing is through airdrops. So how I got involved, and if you're a regular subscriber of the channel, you will know this because I've said this a few times. Please click the like button and the fire button on Odyssey and give me a comment. Give me a ticker symbol as a comment, please. I would appreciate that, right? So how this started was I had some Atom purely on a whim, didn't do any research, but because I had got Atom, I got airdrops from Osmo. And then I had a look at Osmo, and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. This is a great DEX. It's smooth, it's fast, it looks good, it's easy to use. So I started stake, and it has really high returns because all the tokens and coins within this ecosystem are proof of stake coins using validators. So I started staking Osmosis, and because I was staking Osmosis, I got airdropped some Juno. And Juno has really high staking returns, so I started staking Juno because I got it for free. And then because I had Juno and Osmo and Cosmos, I got Chihuahua, which is a coin with a dog's face on it, which is what's critical for cryptocurrency, that the coin must have a dog's face on it. Now, because I had Chihuahua and Juno and Osmo and Atom, I got Cerebus, which is a coin with 3 dogs' heads on it. I also got Evmos, Desmos, Sommelier, Loom Network, Nomic, Jackal, Gravity, L1, and so many more airdrops I can't even remember, with more to come, because how this ecosystem is growing is through airdrops. Now this website, cosmospug.com, lists some of the airdrops that are happened, that are happening, and that are about to come. There are many, many more because it doesn't have everything, because I also go to this other website, cosmosairdrops.io, and that lists many, many more airdrops that are still upcoming. And the more airdrops there are, the more opportunities to stake and the more opportunities to make money from farming. That's what I'm going to be dealing with in this whole series, okay? So this was just an introduction, an overview. I can't cover everything because there's way too much. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be rolling out these videos over the next few days or so. I've got to give you a warning. I recorded these videos over several weeks. My haircut changes, the amount shown in the videos for the coins changes, how much they're worth and everything. And even as I was recording the videos, there have been certain developments. So best you keep up to date. I cover these ecosystem quite a bit. So please subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with Osmosis profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.